Guys, we have to update you guys real quick on Pipi the cat. If you guys do not know, Pipi the cat just pumped to $1. My God, I recommended this to you guys just before at 14 cents. Dude, guys, if for the few people that watch my channel, you guys made 1,300% in 4 hours. Well, 4 days. That's 4 days. No, let's go back. Let's see what you guys made today. Let's see what you guys just made. My God. Oh my God, 559% in 9 hours. Dude, guys, subscribe to the channel because I brought you guys Pipi the cat twice now. The first time I brought it, it did like a 400 for you guys, 400%. This time, we did a 559% for you guys. I hope you guys are making money. I hope somebody took these recommendations because Pipi the cat was a solid one, man. I knew Pipi was going to do well. That thing just pumped to a 1 million market cap right before my eyes. Me and my fiance unloaded our bags. She made like $800 on a meme coin real quick right here. I hope you guys are making money. I needed to just bring you that update real quick. I would unload your Pipi if you were still in Pipi. I don't know, dude, you guys are probably going to miss it. I don't know if it's still going to be up there by the time I get this video out. I better just hurry up and post this for you guys. Congratulations, guys. If you guys are making money on this, congratulations. I'm proud of you guys. Have an amazing day, guys. Definitely enjoy that shit for sure. Take care.